Hey, this is Marjorie Wildcraft, and I am today with the famous Lynn Gillespie. I was at the post office. Somebody goes, Marjorie, you're in those videos with Lynn? I'm like, yes, I'm in those videos with Lynn.
You're with me.
I'm with Lynn, you know. Actually, she is famous. And Lynn, I mean, this is an awesome, I'm so impressed with the production.
It's a fun, easy garden to get people started.
And I have a total confession, Lynn. So, my friend Kevin Barber came by. He's on the advisory board for the Grow Network, and Kevin is really awesome. He's not like, he doesn't know how to grow anything, but he's a digital marketer, which is super important on your advisory board, right? He came by, he was on a motorcycle tour through the Rockies, and I was showing him this garden, and I said, here, you got to try these salad turnips. And I pulled him up some turnips. I said, eat it. He said, you know, eat the dirt too. It's all good for you, you know. And he munched in it, and he's like kind of reluctant because he's not a vegetable guy.
Okay.
He's definitely your meat and taters type. And he was like, this is really good. So I picked him 10 of them and put them in his saddlebags. Like, I can at least get something healthy on the trip, right?
He's got treats. How
yeah,
fun.
we converted him.
Yeah.
Those salad turnips are awesome.
They're amazing.
So I wrote it down because we're keeping track.
Yeah, you got to keep track of what this will produce.
Yeah.
This will do really well for you. Yeah.
It's been doing great. So I've also been looking for bugs. I mean, that was my homework assignment.
Yes.
And I did come out here at night, ran out of the batteries on my cell phone, you know, looking for bugs.
Did you find anything?
No.
No?
No.
Okay.
But, you know, there is a little bit of damage. I'm not seeing a lot more damage, but there is a little bit. And so...
And we did find a culprit last week.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
So we didn't eat it.
No. We saved it.
What did we do with that bug?
I didn't.
Is it compost bug?
I think it's still in the bucket.
Oh, okay. Poor thing. But so you have a method of killing bugs by intoxicating them with
Yeah.
Jack?
It's called
Jack Daniel's whiskey. She pours Jack Daniel's whiskey on it. The bugs drink that.
Go. And then they get drunk and they fall out of the bed and then they die.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Now we do use beer for slugs though.
That
works
is true.
really
I've
good.
heard of people doing that. Yeah.
This is Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew. It's actually a bacteria that they found, I think it was in Jamaica in a rum distillery. And it gives the bugs a bellyache and then they die. And so we spray that on the garden about once a week just to control all the chewy things that are chewing on your garden.
That's kind of like drinking Jack Daniels. You get a headache and then you wish you were dead. So, you know, kind of close, right? Yeah.
But it's organic, it's safe for the garden, it's safe for us, it's safe for our pets, and it's okay to use.
So we're going to go ahead and give the garden just a little spritz of that.
I think once a week we will do that and see if we can get the chewing under control just so that you have a prettier product.
Yeah, it's not real bad.
It's not real bad, but it can get real bad.
Okay. So yeah, I mean, that is the key, is just like keeping an eye on it and nipping it in the bud.
Yep, get it early. Yeah.
So we're going to do a little bit of harvesting first. God, we got so much harvesting to do.
We're going to harvest, and then I brought you a few more plants just to finish out the garden for now. And we'll put those in.
Yeah, awesome. All right. Well, we'll do a little bit of harvesting and then spritzing, and we'll be right back. Huge harvest. This is incredible.
That's amazing.
And actually, believe it or not, I'm going on another trip again. And so I'm actually going to donate all this produce to a really good cause, to a philanthropy cause. But isn't that amazing? Like, this is just huge. You're going to read the totals?
We spend most of our time picking, don't we?
I know, it's a lot of time. It's more time harvesting than you might think, right?
Yeah.
So you got to plan that in the garden.
So your turnips that you picked and sent with your buddy, you had 10 ounces.
Yeah.
And your pea shoots, you had 6.8 ounces.
Wow.
The lettuce, 51.6 ounces. Out of this.
I know, right?
That's amazing. Kale, 23.2 ounces, and Swiss chard, 21.9 ounces.
And that's just this week, right?
That's this week,
and
yeah.
then the previous weeks we're getting, I mean, remember that huge basket we had last week?
Yeah, lettuce was 41
Crazy.
ounces, pea shoots 26 ounces, kale 14 ounces, and Swiss chard 29 ounces. I'll add this up for you, and we can keep track of it. Yeah, the garden's doing
I'm
really well.
gonna pick a bunch of the salad turnips to take with me on a trips on the next
I think
trip.
that's a good idea.
I also take bags of salad with me also.
I do too.
Yeah.
I travel with bags of salad. People are like, what?
I
And I was like,
know.
no,
I
leave it
take-
alone.
I take my own food, right?
Yep.
You know
Yeah.
you're a serious foodie.
Yeah.
So the only thing we got to do is to do a little spritzing here, Captain Jack, huh?
Yeah, we got a lot of chewing going on here. Cabbage loopers and the
I ate one of the
Licard-
bugs. Lynn was
She
like,
ate it.
Marjorie,
She ate it.
you know what? It tasted like greens. Surprise.
Oh my gosh.
Right. Well, I'm not going to eat them now that they have Captain Jack's on them. But so all you
Hey,
just
might
do
even be
is
better.
mix it up.
Just
and
mix it up according to the directions. Just get you a little sprayer.
we have to follow directions.
Yeah, you need to follow directions.
Okay.
And then we need a little pressure. More pressure. You're just going to spray it on the leaves until it gets wet. And then you want to leave it on there overnight so it doesn't wash off. And then when they bite the leaf, they will ingest a little bit of the bacteria.
Oh, so I shouldn't water tonight. I'll water in the
Yeah,
morning.
don't water tonight.
Got it.
Just
got
let
it.
this.
Yeah.
And it does an amazing job. If the bugs are getting ahead of you to where like you can't keep the chewing down, then move up to twice a week.
Yep.
Otherwise, just once a week. This is all you need to do.
And of course, more visuals, right? More visuals. And we actually pulled, I don't know, about 8 of them out of here. So,
more like 20.
20?
Yeah, we were pulling
I did
right
not
and left
eat
right
all
out
of
this
them. I
area.
only ate one.
So it's a great way to just kind of control that and help keep the bug population down so you're not getting damaged. They actually ate the crown out of a couple of these lettuce plants, so they killed it. So
Well, that lettuce is almost done anyway, though.
a couple more weeks here. We did transplant a few new lettuces back there because we want to keep it in rotation. I promised you lettuce the
Yeah.
entire summer, and we'll
You
be able to
did.
do that
I can't believe that.
all summer.
Like
We're
you
gonna
would
do it.
never do that in Texas, ever. Like lettuce just,
Colorado rocks.
I know. Well, lettuce it's June. Lettuce would be dead, like not even possible
Wow.
right now. I mean, they're hitting 100.
Ugh, not us.
Okay.
We're above freezing now.
Well, right.
Yeah.
Well, everybody, that's this week's episode. And next week, it'll be Lynn and Marjorie, the Lynn and Marjorie Show. And
Are you gonna be here?
like I said, I'm traveling again. Thank God for gardening buddies who take care of your garden while you're gone, you know.
So you can come home and eat good stuff.
Right, totally. Yeah.
Yeah.
But we'll see you on the next episode. And thanks for joining us. I'm Marjorie Wildcraft, Lynn Gillespie. I'm with the Grow Network, and Lynn is with the Living Farm. And we'll catch you on the next episode. And hopefully, between now and then, I will leave the gate shut and we won't have any deer damage.
Yes.
Yes.
Sounds good.